Okay, folks, I think you know where I stand on this right now. I got a long way to go before she's done. I don't know how far back I gotta go before I get the whole car in there. Wow, that's pretty far. Anyway, so I got some new toys today. I went to the Harbor Freight store and picked up a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see here now. A little assembly required. Psych, I actually got a lot of assembly required. But, well, let's see. There's the clean sink. And this is the, I don't know if I could even see that on there. Let me see something, hold on a second. Okay, so that's the clean sink. And there's the sandblast cabinet. And then, because I really could, alright, here's my new paint gun. And I got some, what is it, walnut shell blasting stuff for my cabinet. And now I just got to put everything together. So that way it'll make things a little easier for me. And I think I want to put these together inside. They shouldn't be that heavy to lift and move. Alright, well, that's about it for now.